What's the meaning of bodice? Bodice. Bodice.
Bodice. Bodice. A bodice is a part of a woman's dress that covers the upper body, from the waist to the shoulders. It is typically fitted and may have boning or other structural elements to provide support for the bust. The term can also refer to a garment worn as outerwear, usually featuring a tight-fitting, corset-like design. In both cases, the bodice is an important component of the overall look and style of the dress or outfit. Its design and construction can help to enhance the wearer's figure and create a flattering silhouette.